This is the parking assistance system camera. Had an issue when we put the car in reverse. It does turn on the camera, but the car is in parking. That's a big issue with the transmission. After an accident, we fix the bumper, we fix the cameras, and the cameras don't want to go out. They never turn off. Manually, it does turn off. Now the reverse says off. Well, I'm going to reverse right now again. Whoa! Relax. Parking still on.